Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and in this video I'll show you how to replace your headlight bulbs if you have to. So first thing, open the door, pop the hood, and let's see, find the stand, put the stand in place. Alright, so here we have high beam light and this is the low beam light. Okay, so in order to remove lights you will have to open these covers. You spin them and for some reason it comes off tight. Okay, and take off the cover. Inside in here you have a light, and how you get it out, you just spin it and pull out like this. Okay, to take the light out you have to just disconnect it like this. Okay, this one is a high beam light, and so you just go to the parts store, get the light you need and replace. Okay, same way, you just take it in, take the bulb back in place and spin it till it clicks. Okay, close it with cover. Uncomfortable to do this with one hand. Alright, and here is the low beam light. Okay, this one is a little bit trickier because this one is more limited space here, but you can always remove the light if you can't get it out. But I'll try to do it without removing the light. So spin it. Oh wow, it's so tight. Wow. It's very tight. Okay guys, I managed to get the thing out and it actually even fell inside, so be careful when you take it out so it doesn't fall down. Okay, so now let's see if I'll be able to get the... Oh, it's not that bad actually. Here's the bulb. Okay. So it actually just spins like all the other bulbs. Then just... Oh, by the way, to remove this bulb you have to just press here, press on the pin and pull the bulb. Okay, it's simple. Okay, then when you have the replacement one, connect it. As I said, very limited space here, so get the bulb back in. Okay, all right, we have the bulb in. Now let's put our cover and spin it our way. All right, so this is how we do this. For some reason, maybe because the car is still 2017, it's hard to open it. Usually it's not that hard. Okay, guys, yeah, so if this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.